Hey there, folks. Let me get here in front of the camera. You can see. This is Tony with Getting Back to the Basics. That's a little wet. I was getting ready to start milling on this. This is the third log of the that one, two, three. No, I'm sorry. This is the fourth log of the sweet gum that I'm getting ready to mill, and I've already got my rail system set up here, and I've already got my chainsaw. I've already started it up, get it warmed up, did some adjustment on the chain and because the chain was a little tight. So what I'm getting ready to do is before I tried uploading a video, and for some reason it wouldn't upload. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn the camera around. So here's the rail system set up. um, Set up on this is a 9 foot long and this is a 10 foot rail system. Here's my saw. It's a Stihl MS290. And here's the Alaskan sawmill. And if you're probably wondering, this is the oil tank that I had built to put on this so I could get enough oil to the bar. Because for some reason, I don't know what it is, but it just was not getting enough oil from the oil reservoir. So um, right now, where I got the chain set up, and it's going to just miss that plate right there on the end. Now, this top piece is going to be nothing but completely scrap. I really can't do anything with it. And if you notice here, I'm going to go ahead and turn the saw down a little bit and get on this side right here. And if you notice, there's air pockets. So I'm going to go ahead and crack this open a little bit and turn this, open this one valve, and try to get that oil to start coming down. And if you look real close, it's moving. So I need to get the oil. I need that oil to come down to the bar so it can keep that chain lubricated. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and set the phone back up, and we're gonna get the saw fired up so you can see process of milling this log, or at least getting the first cut, because first cut is just waste. So here we go. And there you go. This one's milled. So we're going to go ahead. You could probably wonder why, or ask why I stopped. And at the last part, and grab the wooden wedges and put them down. Well, what happens if you don't? And if it's a thick slab, what's going to happen is the way that wood is going to come down, it's going to pinch on the bar and the chain. And instead of having a straight cut, your cut's going to flare up at the very, very end. So we'll go ahead, and this is attached pretty good. We'll get these out. As a matter of fact, let me get my drill. I'll go ahead and take this off. And of course, this first cut is all completely scrap. Can't be used for anything except firewood. I mean, I might be able to get a couple small little boards or something out of it. But for the most part, it is nothing but scrap. And that's just the way it is. So we get our rail system off here. We'll lay it off to the side. We'll get our first scrap piece off, and we're going to throw it over here out of the way. I got my Husqvarna over there. I'm a steel guy, but you know, Husqvarna, it's a decent saw. And I don't have my brush, but the brush is in the back. Brush this off, and this way you can see what we got. Take the gloves off. Throw them there. You know, it's, again, this is one of these things that's going to help save money. So this is going to be a timber or a log that I'm working down to a board. So I got to get 2 more 2x6s so I can, for the deck, and then the rest will be all boards. And then couldn't find out I got another sweet gum tree up front. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. And my plan is to get rid of every sweet gum tree in this yard, because let me tell you, the sweet gum trees, when you kneel down on that little sweet gum ball, it hurts. So I got, feels like I got some, might have some rain coming in, but I might be able to go ahead and get maybe, if I can at least get the 2 boards milled, I'll be in good shape. So anyway, folks, I hope you liked the video, and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and hit the bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Anyway, folks, you take care, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.